If YouTube TV freezes during live shows, it's usually caused by network issues, device glitches, or app problems. Here's how to fix freezing and enjoy smooth live streaming. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Slow or unstable Wi-Fi is the #1 cause of freezing. Move closer to your router, restart it, or switch to a 5 GHz network for better speed and stability. If possible, use a wired Ethernet connection on smart TVs or streaming devices. It's the most reliable option. Step 2. Restart the YouTube TV app. Fully close the app and reopen it. On mobile, swipe it away from recent apps. On smart TVs, Roku, or Fire Stick, exit to the home screen and relaunch the app. A fresh restart clears minor glitches that cause freezing. Step 3. Clear the app cache. Remove temporary files that may be causing the freeze. On Android TV or Fire Stick, open Settings, go to Apps, select YouTube TV, and clear the cache. On Roku, use the hidden cache reset sequence. Home button 5 times, up once, rewind twice, fast forward twice. On Apple TV or iPhone, delete and reinstall the YouTube TV app. Step 4. Update the app and your device. Make sure the YouTube TV app is up to date. Also update your smart TV, Fire Stick, Roku, or mobile device. Outdated software often causes freezing, lag, or playback interruptions. Step 5. Lower the video quality. If your internet speed is low, switch to a lower video quality. Open the video settings, choose Video Quality, and select 720p or 480p. Lower quality reduces freezing during live shows when bandwidth is limited. Following these steps will eliminate most freezing problems and give you smooth, uninterrupted live streaming. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.